Now, Floyd Shivambu is claiming Mpumalanga. He says, hey, their national what comes from there, and they're gonna win upright. And then Mina on the other side, I'm like, okay, talk is cheap, ne? I'm watching the EFF in Nkomazi there. Our mafia funny there. I wanna play a clip. I actually wanna play a clip of the EFF, of the event that they had today. And then I wanna play you guys what Floyd was saying. And I want you to choose now. Choose, ubana, are you team EFF? Or are you believing these empty words that are coming from Floyd? Hey, oh, Floyd. And then at the end, he says, Wana, it's not propaganda. It's propaganda. It's propaganda. He says it's not propaganda. It's not fiction. Couchong, okay, talk is cheap. Let me play you EFF versus what Floyd said. And then let's meet in the comment section.
Nkomazi, our national deputy chairperson comes from Nkomazi, has gained proper traction in Nkomazi municipality. It's one of the municipalities where we're going to perform the best, if not win outrightly, in Mpumalanga province, in Mbombela, in all the 7 sub-regions of Gert, Bande.